Household chores vocabulary. Clean the window. Clean the bathroom. Make the bed. Change the sheets. Sweep the floor. Mop the floor. Vacuum the floor. Wash the dishes. Dry the dishes. Wipe off. Dust the furniture. Do the laundry. Hang out the laundry. Iron the clothes. Fold the clothes. Put away the clothes. Feed the cat. Feed the dog. Walk the dog. Do the shopping. Cook. Rake the leaves. Weed the garden. Take out the garbage. Please subscribe for more videos.